Hi, it's Jeff Lundblad again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. It's time for me to open another box from this large collection we've just obtained. I can just tell from the outside of it, looks like it's a lot of Star Wars stuff. So again, anything that we open on camera will be available on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. Be available for sale. So let's just dig right in and see what we've got here. Looks like it's a Target exclusive Force Link. Looks like a bunch of stormtroopers and some rebel soldiers. So very cool. What do we got here? This looks like the Force Awakens, Entertainment Earth exclusive. What is that, an AT Assault Walker with a figure? Very nice. And we've got some mission fleet. Millennium Falcon. Little Han Solo in there. Power of the Force Air Speeder from the Expanded Universe line. This looks like it's been opened. So that'll be sold as an open box product. But it looks like, yeah, the figure's in there. So that's a complete item. Open box. Let's see what else we got here. We've got, looks like an Imperial Speeder. Looks like this is a closed box. This is from the Rebels line. That's very cool. And we got another very similar. It's an Assault Walker. Looks like it's from the Rebels line as well. And we've got more Mission Fleet. Jedi Starfighter with Anakin in there. Oh, here's the Expanded Universe Air Speeder, which was the same one that we had that was open. This one looks like it's factory sealed still. And it looks like we've just got some Clone Wars figures. Clone Trooper, Anakin, Dirge, another Clone Trooper. This one's got a blue labeling on them. Looks like there's a few different. This is a yellow one, this is a red one. This one has no color to him, so it looks like they had a couple of different variants. Count Dooku, underrated Jedi, quite frankly. Or Sith, I should say. There's Yoda. And we've got Obi-Wan. All right, so nice little collection of Star Wars. Again, it'll be up for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And if you're liking these videos, look for us on Facebook, like our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you for the next box.